Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome to my channel. All right, everyone, in today's video, I've got an unexpected Dollar Tree haul for you. Now, I went to Dollar Tree literally having to pick up 3 things. Had my list, was ready to go, and knew I was only going to come back with those 3 things. The 3 things I needed, I did not find. But I did find some other things. And some of the things are new. Some of them are seasonal. Some of them are from the Dollar Tree Plus section that is in my store. And, some of them are some things that I'm going to craft with. So, we're going to get started. But before we do that, of course, I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers, long-termers, short-termers, everybody in between, OGs, the original gang, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate it. And I look forward to bringing you lots of fun DIY projects and hauls and thrift flips and closeout hauls, and I shop a lot. But I'm excited about the stuff today. I really am. I'm just gonna kind of go through the bags and stuff. So this first one is kind of the food related category, I guess. And it's these drinks. I don't know if you've seen these or not, these hint drinks. And what's cool about them is that it's water, and they do have a little bit of caffeine in them. And there is a hint of whatever fruit flavoring is in here. And so like some of them have apple and pear, some of them are blackberry, some of them are blueberry. What's great about them though too is that there's no sugar and there's no carbohydrates in them. And my mom is visiting me, and she's diabetic, and she's actually almost not diabetic because she's been watching all of her sugar and everything. And her insulin levels, I guess, have been at a really good place, so they may even be taking her off of medication very soon, which I'm of course very excited about. So we got these for her because she can drink these throughout the day. We can keep them cold in the refrigerator. And it's a whole big bag full of them. So we bought 2 of every flavor they had. That way I could try them too. And I was excited to find those. The next bag has just nothing too exciting in it. I have lots of these right now. I'll tell you right now in advance. Socks, lots of socks. And you see Otis's tail there. He's creeping around down there, so he'll probably pop up and say hi shortly. But Gold Toe, if you're familiar with this brand, this is a very high-end brand. You find this at a lot of department stores. And they had some Gold Toe socks. I'm sure that they were a closeout that Dollar Tree was able to get. And these kind of have a patriotic, that's the Statue of Liberty. And Gold Toe men's socks. So I bought a couple pair of those. They're in some other bags though. And then this brand Juncture, which is a Dollar Tree brand. You know me and pink flamingos, like that's the perfect kind of sock for me. So I grabbed those. And then in the Dollar Tree Plus section, one of the things that I grabbed were this box of these hefty 39-gallon lawn and leaf bags. Now these were not $1. These were from the Dollar Tree Plus section. And if you're not familiar with Dollar Tree Plus, they have items that are $3, $5, $7, $10. And they were $5, but they're for 11 39-gallon extra large trash bags that have the drawstrings. And I use these for lawn and garden stuff. I use them if I'm cleaning out a big closet, or if I'm taking a bunch of donation items to the, what's the store? Goodwill, or a local thrift store or something. So I thought that was a pretty good bargain for $5. They have some new dish towels, and I bought 2 of these. I don't know. Oh, here's the other one. They have some new dish towels, and I loved this color combination, this blue and white kind of floral. And I like navy accents in my kitchen, which is black and white and kind of a wood grain, because I have the butcher block countertops, and I love this pop of blue that's in there. So I bought those because I think that they're really, really attractive. And they'll go great in my kitchen. The other thing I grabbed, it looks like this is going to be the sock bag. Come on, these are perfect. Part of the Juncture brand again. See what it says? Love, peace, music, guitars. Thought that those were a lot of fun. Another pair of gold toe socks, just a stripe. Looks like it's a golfer of some kind on there. I'm not a golfer, but I don't hate anybody that is. And again, great socks, great brand name socks. They had these chili pepper socks. They had these lobster socks, the red lobsters. I love those. And I think I have a pair of those, but I still wanted to grab another one. Great blue and white and red, striped and gray, because those are my favorite colors. You know I'm gonna wear those. I got an extra pair of these socks because my dad plays guitar, so I'm gonna send those home with my mom for him. Got some great polka dot socks. And then I grabbed some of these little ankle socks. These are from a company called Bum Equipment. I love these socks, they're extremely comfortable. These are the cushioned sole. They have arch support in them. They're breathable. And I think these are the no-show, or at least the, very small kind of, so you can wear these with shorts and your sneakers and stuff. So I got, and it's a 2-pack too, which is great. So I bought, looks like a duck bill, doesn't it? But I got the black and white pair, and then I got 2 white pairs. So those were exciting. And I'm pretty sure there's another bag that has socks in it. In the Dollar Tree Plus section as well, they had this great package of washcloths. There's 12 washcloths in here. Some gray, some tan, some white. And my washcloths always go for everything else except for washcloths. You guys probably just heard Otis meow. Hi, buddy. Come over and say hi if you want to. Come here. He's over there at the couch. Come over here, buddy. Here, I'm gonna scoot over. Jump up on the chair if you want. So washcloths, these were $5 for 12 of them. Really, really good deal. So I was happy with those. And then they also had hand towels, a 2-pack, 2-pack for $3, excuse me. And they're a little bit thicker than the other. You can find some hand towels at Dollar Tree that are white, that are 2-pack, that are $1, but they're thin. I use those in my craft room. These I'm gonna try and use only in my bathroom. That doesn't always happen though. It just doesn't always happen. Again, with some great snacks, and because my mom is visiting and because she's watching her sugar, we were able to find these snack packs of this sugar-free Jell-O, and it's cherry flavor. Now, what I learned is that not only you can't just look at sugar-free and know that that's going to be good for you if you are diabetic. There's something called sugar alcohol that really plays a large part into that, and so some things will be sugar-free, but they'll still have lots of sugar alcohol in them, and that can be just as bad for you. So this particular brand, this sugar-free cherry Jell-O, this snack pack brand, only has less than 1 gram of sugar alcohol in it. So this is a good snack that my mom said that she could have. And then this cranberry juice, this healthy balanced cranberry juice, this also has 1 gram of sugar in it and no of the sugar alcohols. So we thought that that'd be good for her vodka and cranberry later on. So that's something that we grabbed for mom there. And then these are just for me. I love having these little creamers. I keep these in the refrigerator and have a bunch of different flavors for them for my coffee. Now, the other few items that I grabbed, these cute magnetic clips, but you can also use these for chip clips. You can use these for a lot of different things. But see that they say blame the sugar, eat, sleep, repeat, and food coma. Otis, careful, buddy. I have this little table next to me, and he was, nuzzling, and it almost knocked it over. You may have seen him run. But these food clips are great, and they're, you can use them as chip clips. You can use them for a lot of things, but they're magnetic, so you can put them on the refrigerator. There's Otis coming back. Hey, buddy. You scared me. I almost said a bad word on TV, on YouTube TV. Blocks, wood blocks. Anytime I grab these or can find these larger packages of these little, faux jingle blocks that Dollar Tree sells, I will grab these because there's 72 in here, or you can get the ones that are half the size for $1. I would much rather grab two, you know, double the size here for one, but I've grabbed a couple of these for me and a couple of these for a friend of mine that lives around the corner that is also a crafter, and wanted her to get them. You may remember when I did my haul not too long ago that had a lot of fall and a lot of Halloween stuff in it. I was mentioning these Halloween trees, and I was bummed because I didn't get two of them because they're kind of thin. And what I wanted to do was take two of them and twine them together to make a beefier, you know, Halloween tree. So I was able to pick up another one of these. This store that I went to, they had just put out their Halloween stuff, and they were starting to put out some of their fall stuff too. So it was kind of perfect timing. Here's the other package of the hand towels that I told you I got. I got two of those. I don't know if you've ever heard of Fabuloso, if you've used it or not. This is one of my favorite cleaners. I absolutely love this. The lemon scent is my favorite. I have the entire kind of rainbow of scents that they have. They have them in all different kinds of colors and flavors and scents. Not flavors because I haven't tasted them, but you know what I mean. They have apple, they have lemon, they have pear, they have all these different scents, and they're all different colors. So like in the cleaning room, it's kind of nice to have them and see them up there on the top of the shelf because they're all fun. And these are also concentrated. Oh, I just saw, even though this one is yellow, I assumed it was lemon, but this is actually apple. And it has vinegar in it, so it helps with cleaning and stuff too, helps with streaking. So I grabbed that. Actually, I didn't grab that. My mom grabbed that because I said I liked it, and then she put it in the cart, but then I surprised her and bought everything in the cart. So, haha, Mom, gotcha. The other thing that I grabbed is just a few more things, actually. They have some of the cutest mugs out right now, some of the cutest coffee mugs. And I bought these for a friend of mine who, I don't want to say what she does because, well, she'll probably know they're for her. But I have a friend that runs an animal rescue, and I'm going to open these up and then I'll show them because there's 4 different ones. And I thought that she would appreciate them either for herself or maybe she could use them as a fundraising thing or something. But they're all pet related and they have the cutest sayings. Let me grab. I got a couple things, hopefully I don't forget because there's some other glass things that are wrapped up in here. Let me put them down in front of me so I don't forget them. I'm pulling them right out of the bag, so sorry about all this. And yeah, all the noise, all the plastic, all the things. But these I thought were super, super, super cute. And if you're a fan of those calendars that are out right now, the kind of farmhousey calendars, the calendar that has the old vintage trucks, you know, like the red trucks, some of the just some of the farmhouse kind of style calendars. They have mugs now that match them. I did not buy any of the mugs because I don't need coffee mugs. I don't need coffee mugs. I don't need socks. I bought socks. I don't have place for. I can always store socks in the drawer. I don't have any more room for coffee mugs. So these I got from a friend of mine. So this one says, pets turn a house into a home, and it's on both sides. So that's super cute. That's one of the mugs for her. And then the other one says, the best therapist has 4 legs, has fur and 4 legs. The best therapist has fur and 4 legs. Thought that was really cute. And it's a good sized mug too. And then I got this one. Or did I buy 2 of that? No, I didn't. Okay, this one says, a house is not a home without paw prints. Again, super cute. And then the other one is back here somewhere. There it is. When I needed a hand, I found your paw. Oh, so cute. Again, good sized mug. But I thought my friend would appreciate those, so that's going to be a little surprise for her. And then the last couple of things I grabbed, these were from some of these anyway, were from the plus section. This item is not. This is from Crafter Square. Thought it was super cute. Probably gonna try and redo that into something fun. Ooh, let me just show you a couple more regular Dollar Tree items, then we'll get into the plus things, because the plus things are really cool. All right, they have these cute candles that look like little succulents. How cute are those? So they have this one that says, "Love Grows," and my mom is gonna get these. And then they have one that says, "This is my happy place." Super cute, little cactus. And then this one says, live what you love. Super, super cute. Another little succulent candle. And then the last couple things, my mom wanted this baking pan. It was $5 at the Dollar Tree Plus section. Again, pretty deep, pretty good size for $5. And then these, there's some more stuff down in here. All right, please pause, please hold. Fall stuff. I'm thinking I'm gonna put them together and do something like that with them. Maybe take them off the stands, put them all on one stand. They would come off the stands real easily. You can see they're already real wobbly. But I think I'm gonna, kind of play around with them and give them my own kind of spin. And I think I may do something like that where they kind of overlap with each other. I saw something at Hobby Lobby that is kind of inspired by doing something like that. So I think that's probably gonna be a DIY that I'm gonna, a DIY that I'm gonna do. All right, these two things, I was freaked out when I saw them. They have 4 different critters in total. They are 3-foot inflatables. This is a, I think he's like a Frankenstein. Yeah, we'll call him a Frankenstein looking guy. It was $5. It's a 3-foot tall inflatable, which is perfect for my front yard. And then they had this one, that was a stack of jack-o'-lanterns. Again, 5-foot inflatables for 3-foot inflatables for $5. They also had an oversized skull that was $5. And then they had I think it was like a ghost that was $5. They also have a ton of string lights, but what's great about those string lights that are in that section is that they're indoor and outdoor. They're $5. They're, I think, 12-foot strands, and for something that you can put indoors and outdoors and is going to be safe outdoors, I think that that's a pretty good deal, especially if you don't need a ton of them. Maybe you even want to just put lights around your wreath, that's on your front door, and your front door is exposed to weather, or maybe you don't have a front porch. Like, that's kind of a good deal, I think, and it's a lot safer than, taking the risk of using regular lights, which I did last year, which was not the smartest thing I could have done. Anyway, that is the haul for today. Hey, guess what? Remember when I said I was gonna put 2 things down that were not mugs that I had to unwrap, and I didn't want to forget? I forgot. So I'm gonna show you what these are too. If you tuned in and if you're still on, then you've got some bonus footage. But one is this bank. I like this little hand. I forget exactly what this hand means. It has some kind of meaning to it. I think it's a yoga or a spiritual thing, but I just thought it was kind of cute, and it's my favorite color. And then the other thing I grabbed, they have some new candlesticks that are out, and this particular one I thought could be really cool for a tiered tray. And I'm gonna paint it, but I liked how flat it was up here, and I liked how flat it was there, and thought that could be really cool. So now we are done with the shopping haul. All right, bye.